So Cieran and I have decided to go and walk the Arden Way, which is a 26-mile circular route from Henley going down to Alcester and coming back. But because it's poorly signposted, we've had to take a few diversions and some of the paths have been closed. And we're not very happy about it.
We're not. Not good. Not good enough.
I am very happy to see the Arden Way sign, but there are some horses which may kick or bite.
Oh no!
Do we want to go the alternative way or not? We can either risk some horses biting us, or we can go an alternative route which rejoins the route on the other side of the field via a lane.
You know what, Tom? I've had enough of reroutes this journey. There's been too many. We're going through the field, we're going to take the risk.
We're currently being followed and stalked by some horses. The Arden Way has just turned out to be one mess. Every single time I do this walk, something goes wrong. We have reached the end of the Arden Way at Henley-in-Arden train station. This is a very happy day. Oh, this is good.